everyone. Welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to do another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent box for 2024. And today is present number 6. Look at this. I love the wrapping paper with little check, scissors, snowflakes, and of course the quilt block and needle and thread. Isn't that adorable? I love the ideas that she comes up with for not only the gifts, but the wrapping as well. Just so cute. It makes it extra special. And again, I love the boxes. I love this town. I just think that's so cool. All right, are we ready? All right, with no further waiting, let's open box number 6. All right. Trying to keep the seals and everything intact because I think they're so pretty. Oh, that was not going to come off. Okay, let's try it this side. Let's try this way. Little bit, not coming off clean, but okay. I'm not going to be able to salvage all of number 6 label, but that's okay. All right, we ready? Dun, dun, dun. Okay. This is a little bag that here has been taped. Let's open this. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? You ready? You ready? Ooh, what is this? So cool. I think this is a ruler holder. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the attention to detail. Okay, all right. Anything else in here? Let's double check. Nope. Look at this. Look at the attention to detail that she has done on this. That is amazing. With the quilt blocks on the back, you have a ruler, 1 to 5 inches, and then you flip it. And then it's also 1 to 5 inches. And this would be an amazing thing to have by your sewing machine and have your little rulers in there. And this looks like it's also for thread. It's got 2 little posts here, and you can put it right there and put little spools of thread on there. That is so cool. And it's done very, very nicely. It's very good quality, nicely finished. Missouri Star, Jenny, way to go. That's cool. So this is something you can definitely use. I'm almost thinking if you didn't have rulers in it, you could almost use it as a clapper too. But you've got the measuring on the back with the beautiful quilt blocks and those slats where you can use your ruler. I don't think you can put feet in it, but I'm thinking rulers, your little square rulers or your 12-inch, maybe 3-inch by 12-inch rulers, smaller squares up to 6-inch maybe on this would be really cool. But then you could also turn it over and use it at your workstation as a ruler. Very nice. Good job, Jenny. This was present number 6. So I am in love with this. Again, so far, all 6 I'm keeping. They are winners in my book. So I hope you had a lot of fun seeing what today's gift was, number 6. And I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV and come back tomorrow where we open present number 7. Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you to all of you, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care and happy stitching. Bye-bye.